Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can create a YouTube channel in 2023. So for that you need to open up your Google account, then search for Gmail. After that you need to click on this option of create a Gmail account. Then click on this option of create an account, then provide the name. After that click next. Then select the birthday and gender. After that it will ask you to provide username. You can choose it and it is going to be your email address. Then select the password for your account. After that you can add your recovery email if you want to recover it in case your account gets hacked. So add a recovery email address over here, and if you don't want to add it, just click on skip. Then provide the phone number for your account, so you will be able to link this particular phone number with your YouTube account. And if you don't want to do it, then just click on skip, but it is better to connect your phone with your YouTube account. And after your account is created, just go to YouTube, and after that click on your profile on the top right hand side corner. Here you will find this option of create a channel. Just click on it. Provide the name for your channel and the handle by which anyone can search you on YouTube, and then just click on create a channel. And after that your channel will be created, and this is how you create a channel in 2023. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.